It was like watching.
No!
Ooh.
Damn it! I nearly flipped psychosis.
Well, go ahead. Give me a level to play. I'll play it right now. Just do anything. I don't like. I'll immediately stop playing Booty 2 to do level requests. Like, all good.
Oh my god! I nearly flipped psychosis from 46.
What'd you get?
68.
Dude,
Oh.
come on.
It would have been a second hardest too.
That's not that big of a flip, but yeah.
Eliminate. Here, give me a level request. I'll do
Level
it.
request. I don't really want to do level requests. I want to focus on psychosis.
Boom.
Okay.
I beat Black Blizzard, yes! Oh my
Really?
Go ahead.
Oh, I beat it.
Go.
You beat Black Blizzard?
Oh,
Wait, you actually beat Black Blizzard?
I
Big
beat
Daddy,
it,
monkey
yes!
Scroll, monkey scroll.
Dude, no
Oh.
way.
GG!
What's up,
Yes.
YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up,
Are
YouTube?
you
Monkey nutsack, monkey nutsack, monkey nutsack.
Yes! 29,000 attempts.
29